thought this right here would be good enough. It ain't. You come up with something off the wall, something different.
Where'd y'all go today?
We went to the swap. What's the name of that swap meet? I don't know. It was over Clarksville Speedway. It was cold. It was super cold. We didn't stay long.
Store any parts?
Well, it was just like the inside of the shop, but in everybody's boxes, and it was set down in the parking lot.
Everything they had was just too cheap for us. We just,
Yeah, it's too cheap.
but nobody break $1,000 bill.
Yeah, $1,000 bill. Trying to figure out some stuff I probably should have figured out before I painted this fucking thing,
True story.
but I didn't. Now that it's already powder coated, makes it a little more delicate. A little more delicate. This is the first thing I've had that paint, real paint on it in a long time. So,
Didn't I tell y'all day out? Answer y'all on?
no, but you can be the first. We're waiting. I don't.
Let's see. Tomorrow's not a good day.
Yeah.
I'll check back tomorrow.
Check back tomorrow, okay. See how she does this? See how she does this? Yeah. That used to be a good candy last time. See, dropped it. Broke it, it did.
Yeah, my favorite brand.
Sprayway, not Speedway.
Yep.
Sprayway. Alright, I don't know where I'm at. Back and forth between the two, so.
It's wiring out of the hurry up and do the shit, man.
Yeah, I know, right? Hurry up. Every chance you get.
Jay said, I thought we escaped the winter.
Yeah, I know, right? I thought we had to until today. I had to bust out the big, what's that name of that? Duluth.
Yes.
Duluth jacket. Yeah, the big thick mold. I don't know what to do lately, man. On my headlights, in the bars, and on the license plate. Brake light.
It'll come to you.
Well, I can put a tail light on it and not worry about a license plate right now.
Can you make where there's a Bryant on top of the tail light? That looks cool.
Well,
On the side.
Yeah, I've done so many to the side that I'm just overdoing them like that. I just want to do something different. And I don't know what that is. But I know we got another tail light like I put on Tim's. So I can go ahead and put his back on. So I wanted to wait till I got done with the wheels. Yeah, here's that dot right here. What we were going to use yesterday, we had to pull a primary off, put it on, so.
That sounds like work.
It is work. Pull all that back off? Yeah. But that's why I had to put oil in it, because I wasn't sure.
You need plenty on this wire.
Huh?
If you need oil, there's plenty on this wire.
I'm gonna wrap this up. I've been videoing y'all. What do you need to tell these guys to do, Cooley?
Get out in the shop and do something,
Oh, wow.
and stay tuned.
That's it.
Stay tuned. Lincoln, you got something you want to add?
I'll take cash, check.
Venmo.
Venmo, layaway.
Afterpay.
Yeah,
Afterpay.
layaway. Any day they will
Yeah,
send
any
something.
that ends in Y.
I can take EBT if it's ready.
EBT. He said EBT.
Groceries are be expensive.
Yeah, groceries be expensive. That's like a treat when you get to go to the grocery store.
Just starting.
I forgot what I was going to say.
What?
Wait, yeah. How do you charge my battery
On what?
for my camera?